Yo, welcome back to my channel. It's Vlogmas Day 19. I think it's Vlogmas Day 19, y'all. I can't keep up, but I'm about to start cooking dinner and y'all finna cook with me. Get your knife, get your sharpest knife. I need to get some more knives while I'm running my mouth. But today I'm about to make them some spaghetti. The kids are on Christmas break, but they do still have to do their little nighttime routine. They do still have to go to bed regardless. And yeah, so I'm just cutting up the bell peppers right now. I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting the onion. Y'all, I don't got no paper towel to put down my onion to stop my eyes from tearing up. Like I told you, don't be talking about my knives either. Don't be talking about my knives, because they ain't sharp at all. But anyways, I'm making spaghetti with ground turkey, and after that, I'm gonna give these kids a bath, and I'm gonna finish organizing my closet, cause y'all, it's a mess in there. It's my closet, it's my room. I got stuff everywhere because I started doing it, and then I had to realize it's 5:22. It's time to start cooking dinner, okay? But I feel like once I get done decluttering, I'll feel a lot better. So that's my main goal, and I gotta clean up my bathroom. So yeah, let me go ahead and finish chopping this up, chop the onion up, and I'll talk to y'all when I'm done with that. And don't talk about me because they did not have the full tray. They only had these, and this is gonna do, okay?
Love y'all. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love y'all. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass. Let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. It's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Yeah. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road to riches, listen, this is what you find. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way. Bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way. Being broke is better. Life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Think being broke is better. Life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. For what's money without happiness? Or hard times without the people you love? Though I'm not sure what's about to happen next. I ask for strength from the Lord up above, cause I've been strong so far, but I can feel my grip loosening. Quick, do something before you lose it for good. Get it back and use it for good, and touch the people how you did like before. I'm tired of living with demons cause they always inviting more. Think being being broke was better. Now I don't mean that phrase with no disrespect to all my niggas out there living in debt, cashing minimal checks. Turn on the TV, see a nigga Rolex, and fantasize about a life with no stress. I mean this shit sincerely. And as a nigga who was once in your shoes, living with nothing to lose, I hope one day you hear me. Always gonna be a bigger house somewhere, but nigga feel me. Long as the people in that motherfucker love you dearly. Always gonna be a whip that's better than the one you got. Always gonna be some clothes that's fresher than the ones you rock. Always gonna be a bitch that's better out there on the tours. But you ain't never gonna be happy till you love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love no such thing, no such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love no such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived.
Okay, y'all, so I told y'all I do not like using spaghetti noodles, but I'm about to test to see if it's done. It's done. Y'all, I need bigger pots, but this is how I have to do it to make sure it wasn't gonna overflow. Nobody even said no grace or none. God gracious, God is good. Let us thank Him for our food. Stop playing with me, stop. All right, y'all. So, let me close this refrigerator. So everybody is done eating. I am about to clean the stove, wipe it down, wipe that down, get everything cleaned in the kitchen so I can go back upstairs and finish organizing my clothes because, y'all, I started cleaning out all my stuff, trying to declutter, get myself together, and y'all, it's a mess in my room, okay? I did make some progress. I made some progress, but it look a mess, okay? And y'all finna come in there with me, and I don't want to hear a judge bone in your body, okay? Yeah. Anyways, I'm finna wipe the stove off right quick, get that dining room table cleaned up, put the chairs up like my husband like it, and I already made his bowl, but I'm not putting it in the microwave till I get done wiping everything down, so it's just sitting right here with the Parmesan cheese in case he walk in, you know, because it's still hot and ready. But anyways, y'all, yeah, let me go ahead and do this. Stop running my mouth so I can get back focused and get them kids in the bath. Yeah, I need to do that too. Okay, yeah. So y'all okay with this? Yeah, y'all gotta be, because y'all still here, y'all still watching. Yeah. All right, y'all. Everything is clean. Kitchen clean. Hose plate is in the microwave. And my living room clean. So I'm about to go upstairs, give these kids a bath, and finish getting my room together. Y'all, I was supposed to clean my bathroom today. So I guess I'm gonna have to do that when I get them out the tub and get done cleaning up my room. Go get in the shower, Sky. MJ, wait your turn. Go get your pajamas. Get your pajamas first. Now that the kids done getting dressed, bathing, Josiah and Taj are still washing up, but Sky Pie's getting her pajamas on right now. I'm about to show y'all how it look, okay? So this is all the trash that I got rid of. This is what's left after clearing my drawers that I need to keep or go through. Y'all do not judge my closet. I'm not playing with y'all. I just made it like this when I was looking for something, okay? But this how it looked. Terrible, right? So I got tired of just scrummaging through stuff. I had all my clothes like piled up, like folded and piled up. But Friday, I think I was looking for something and I never was able to come back and put it back. Y'all, this is half my prayer corner, half my regular clothes closet. I'm finna get all this cleaned up. I already went through all of my drawers. So it should really be easy to get this together. But the motivation I need right now, I need it. Because I still got to clean my tub after this. And then I'm going to just take me a hot shower and get myself settled in bed. Because, oh child. But my goal is, I'm really trying to get all this stuff off the floor first, so I can feel like I accomplished something. Because if I leave this on the floor and I start working in there and I got to come back and pick this up, I'm not going to want to do it. So I'm going to get all this stuff up first, and then I'm going to show y'all that, and I'm going to go and work on that closet. All right, y'all. Got everything off the floors. And I'm going to put this stuff up once I make sure I have enough space so I can just get rid of some stuff if I don't. Like I told y'all, I got everything organized. Now I'm finna try to get all this stuff up out of here. And the way I clean up is I get everything out first and then I sort through it. So let's get to it. Alright, y'all, so I got everything out. Now it's time to put it back in here the right way. If they like the job, but they do my do, then no go catch up. So blame them all. You go do your one time, my baby, one time, I'm to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man, no they walk up. Man, no be God. Make them they talk up. That's what they fly like a helicopter. Nobody girls have got an inshallah with them move. Question, but then no get the answer. Question, but then no get the answer. Alright, y'all. I am done. I feel quite accomplished. Look at the sweat. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I was working hard out here. Y'all finna go ahead and clean my bathroom now. Oh child, I'm tired. But I feel super accomplished. I'm gonna get this trash out my hallway, clean my bathroom, and baby, I'm done for the night. Alright, y'all, I'm almost done with my bathroom, but one of Todd's Christmas presents, his shoes finally came. I told y'all everybody getting a pair of shoes. So let's see. Like, oh my gosh. So excited. We gotta put these in his Santa bag. I guess we're gonna do that tonight while he sleep. But y'all, I cannot wait to breathe through my bathroom. Like, my bathroom is supposed to be matching my vanity that I have in my bathroom. Like, this is my vanity. My husband put this together for me. It's junky right now, but basically I wanted like the gold, black, and white kind of bathroom. And we had a white shower curtain with gray before he built my vanity, and we just kept that for a long time. Then it was like, okay, it's time to change it. So we just picked the blue one up from Family Dollar, I think. But y'all, I'm ready to like glam my space up, because I feel like when your space looks nice and I just feel like the more stuff starts to like come together, like you feel better in so many words. Like, I do so much better with a decluttered space and when everything is just like clean and looking, you know, good. So yeah, y'all. But I think I'm gonna honestly end the video here, because I didn't took y'all through a lot today. I know y'all probably tired, because I'm tired, okay? I'm finna hurry up and wrap this up so I can get me in the shower. Yeah, I'm gonna put me on some nice little lounge wear and go chill, because I think my husband, honestly, I think he just made it home not too long ago. So I need to shower clean. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video, which gonna be tomorrow. Y'all got me every day for December. I mean, until Christmas. But yeah, y'all, that's it. Love y'all. Bye.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not